Hello folks, today we're going to be talking about the 23-foot bunkhouse by Heritage Glen. So this trailer is a pretty cool trailer, has a front tongue jack. You get your big propane tanks right here. Follow me over here folks. You have a diamond plate protection on the front, and then you have this big underbelly storage right here. This is aluminum frame trailer, so it's going to be really lightweight. It also has an external solar panel charger, so if you wanted to hook up an extra solar panel, you can do that as well. Has a power awning outside speakers, and you also have a hookup if you wanted to bring your TV outside here. Follow me. Has an outside kitchen, has the solid steps that you push in and latch in. Follow me. So this trailer has the really two big bunks right here, a window right there, and a window on both of these, so you can get some air circulation in there. And then you got this really nice bathroom. Tons of room in here, tons of headroom. You could turn around in here. I'm 6 feet tall, so any big guy can fit in here. Then you have your U-shaped dinette, so you can get the whole family around this one. And then come over here. This is the bedroom, and you have storage right under here, and they give you bins and stuff right here to put all your different stuff, and I think that's pretty cool. Then you have your hanging closets on each end with tons of storage up here. Tons. Your AC is ducted through here, also ducted through there, and then to the restroom. Then if you come over to the kitchen area, stainless steel appliances look really nice. Has the fold back, 3 burners. You got the barn sink right here, and again you have tons and tons and tons of storage in here. So on the entertainment, oh, you get an oven too. They pretty much all come with ovens. Big drawer for all your pots and pans. I love this trailer. Your entertainment system, DVD, Bluetooth stereo, and you have a fireplace. The benefit to the fireplace is it'll warm this whole place up without using your propane. So come over here. This is what people really like, is storage. So you got all that big storage right there for shoes, put all extra canned goods in there and everything. Pretty nice. Follow me outside folks, I'll show you a little bit about the outside of this trailer. Heritage Glen Hyper Lyte 23 BHHL. Check this out. You're gonna really like this. So this one, you have a tailgate storage right here with the barbecue hookup, so you can pull this down and you can put your big coolers out here and stuff like that. Then if you come around here, all your hookups, your low point drains, your gray tank and your black tank access, everything is right here. Your black tank flush and your outside shower and your drains right here. Then if you come around here, it's the other side of that storage. So this is Heritage Glen. My name is Anthony Fuller. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. 541-653-2818. That's Anthony Fuller, the Ant-Man. 541-653-2818. Thank you.